What's going on? Welcome to today's review video. My name is Colton. Today I'm going to be reviewing a white 3rd generation Nest thermostat. I purchased this 3rd generation Nest thermostat from Home Depot and I didn't pay full price. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask you to subscribe. The reason for that is we produce review and project videos in demonstrating how easy it is to turn your house into a home. If you want to see other review videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right up here. I would give this Nest thermostat a 5 out of 5 stars and I'll tell you why. The Nest thermostat has a cool feature of far sight and near sight. What this means is if you enter a room where the Nest is at, it'll pop on, show you some information at the far sight view, but as it detects you're getting closer, it'll turn to a near sight view ready to use. Nest claims that this thermostat does save on average 10 to 12% on heating bills and 15% on cooling bills and uses less than 1 kilowatt hour a month. I haven't had the Nest long enough to see if those claims are true, but I'm gonna find out. In raising or decreasing the temperature of your Nest thermostat, it'll let you know roughly about how much time it'll take to get to that point. And anytime you see that leaf, you're gonna save money. There are a ton of options that you can go into your Nest and adjust, but for the sake of time, I'm not gonna go through all of them. I'm just gonna highlight some of my favorite ones and run through those. As you use this thermostat, it's supposed to learn your schedule and adjust accordingly. If there's something on there you don't like, go into schedule, adjust it, and you're good. This energy selection is nice because it'll give you a summary of how much energy you used the day prior or any day that you wanna go back and check. Not only can you see a summary of how much energy you used and for how long, but also you can see the frequency and about what time that thermostat kicked on to heat or cool your home. For those people that are torn between, yes, I want one, it would be nice to have a control via smartphone, and also I just want a nice traditional thermostat where there's a fan, auto, heat, and cool. This still has those features. There's a fan you can turn on and off, heat and cool, and eco, meaning it'll stay between the temperatures that you set. As far as the specifications of this Nest thermostat, it's about 3.3 inches in diameter, has about a 2-inch in diameter screen, which also has a 24-bit LCD 480 by 480 screen resolution. Another one of my favorite features is you can set this thermostat to remind you when your air filter needs to be replaced. Another one of my favorite things about this thermostat is you can customize the display. You can have the current or target temperature display, which is pretty common, but you can also use this thermostat as a clock, digital or analog, which can be very convenient. One of my favorite displays is you can set to weather. If you approach the clock from a far sight view, it'll display the weather outside, but if you get closer, it'll display 3 other temperatures at various times during the day. There's a ton more information available for you through the technical info and legal info button, so check those out. If you ever have any problems or concerns about your Nest thermostat, you can call customer support and likely they're going to ask you information that's showing in that technical section. To get the best experience using your Nest thermostat, I would highly recommend downloading the Nest app. It's a very easy to use interface and it's very self-explanatory. It'll display the current heat to temperature, and it'll also show you the temperature that it's at right now inside your home. There's a heat and cool, and off section, an eco setting maximizing the amount of money that you're saving and won't go above or below the temperatures that you set. A fan setting you can turn on, off, or a limited time. And the easiest place to adjust your learned schedule is actually on the app itself. There's also a history section that will show you how long and what times the thermostat was used to heat or cool your home. If you know you're going to be gone from your home for a duration of time, set it to away and it'll turn to eco. Thanks for watching today's review video. If you want to see other review videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right here. And don't forget to click on this icon to make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on future project or review videos that we have in the pipeline. Also be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram pages that you can find right here. If you want to list your favorite feature about the Nest thermostat, do so down below and we'll see you next time.